This is a sponsored product I got for review and I'm super excited about it. This is for in-ground and above ground pool fountain, and it has lights on top of it, and it is solar power. This is really cool. So let's open and see what we got inside the package. Once you open, you will see that you have a user manual and it will tell you how to install it. If you have above ground pool, you can follow the above ground pool, and if you have in ground, you follow the in ground pool installation instruction, and you have everything you need. It comes inside, you can see. So over here, once you open the top, you will see you have the LED light and the fountain head. You can see this where the water will come out. This is the solar panel. It will charge throughout the day, and at night it will just light up really nicely. You can see this has RGB colors. You can cycle through. So this is really cool. I'm super excited to test it. So you have the other side on the other one. So let's see. And inside the package you have everything you need for your installation. So this is where you use this and attach the sides to this. So that's how you would install. I'm gonna install it and show you guys how it works, but let's complete what we see inside the package. You have another part and you have the other connector. So these are depending on your installation, you will use one and the other one is gonna be spare. So this is how it would go inside, and depending on your installation, it will just go through like this for above ground pool and in ground. So let's pause here and install and show how it works. So this is how you would install this. So first of all, you have to take this part out, which is on the inside, the like where the water comes inside the pool. You would just unscrew this top. Once you do that, you would be able to install this part. So you would be able to thread the inner part, so it goes inside just like this. So you can see it will go like this. You can tighten all the way, then you will see it's secure, and you would grab the other part, so which is this. So this will allow you to, if you want to use the fountain or not, you can control the water flow by turning this part. So this will go all the way in. So this where the rubber piece, because the other end has rubber piece as well. So this is how you would secure it. You turn all the way. It's very easy, very smooth. So you can see once you do that, you can see it doesn't turn anymore and the flow is just there. And you would grab the other long part. So let me do that. Once you grab the other part, you can see you would just put it there and secure it all the way. So it will just go like this. So once you secure all the way, then you would be able to attach this part. So let me just do that. So as you can see, I install one part. You can see it can go up and down. You can position however you like, and you can tighten it from this part, and the same thing I'm going to do on the other side. So it comes with remote control, so you can control the light. So once you install it, you can position however you like it, and you can decrease or increase the flow of the water. So it's almost ready. Within like 5 minutes, if I wasn't recording, I would be able to just finish less than that. So you can see very easy installation. You just secure it really tightly, and based on that, it's done. So it doesn't affect the outside. Everything you do is inside. So let's say you want to position this uh, closer to the wall, like you can even pull it further. So that's how it works. So let me just run the filter and show you guys. So as you guys can see, I just turn on the filter and you can see it is going really far, just like this. So if you think that is too much, on the bottom, the flow control, this is the thing. You can see if you turn this all the way, you can see it can even go beyond the like the pool, because I just completely closed it. Now it's on the max flow, so let's reduce the flow. You can completely uh, open, you can see how much it can reduce. So you have the control, you control how much water comes out from it. That looks really cool. So I'm gonna give more uh, pressure and go over there and show it from the other side. As you can see, that is the current setup right now. So the battery is out because I just opened from the box and it wasn't charged. So I'm gonna leave it as this and let it charge by itself. Once it does that, I will also take some footage at night and show you guys. As you guys can see right now, it is at night and it works really nice, very beautiful colors. As you can see, it just gives really nice light. And I also installed the full hacker light over there as well. You can synchronize them, so once you press the button, you will see they will just synchronize. You will see you can change the colors and they are just changing all together. Works really nice. I really like the way uh, it looks. You can see you can change different color. Looks beautiful. I really like it. Very bright light. It's in the middle of night and the lights are still very bright. I'm really kind of surprised how long these batteries last. As you can see, it just provides really cool lighting. Also, you have different lighting effects. So once you press the remote, you can see it has like flashing. It will just change different color options. You can see like it's doing different things. That is really cool. You can also have slowly fading to different color. Looks really nice. I really enjoy it. I hope you guys will enjoy this uh, water fountain and the light, as well as the other one over there. Thank you for watching.